Even in the face of market volatility, the blockchain sector continues to develop rapidly. Investing early in projects with solid fundamentals has yielded enormous returns for savvy investors. Long-term utility cryptos and fast-growing communities are clearly here to stay. GNOX, an emerging crypto project, has been making headlines since its anticipated July debut. What makes GNOX protocol unique? Those who didn't invest in Cardano in 2017 or Shiba Inu in 2020 missed out on a chance to become a billionaire. There is little chance of a similar price spike in the future for the two cryptos since the network's growth is nearly complete. A cryptocurrency price explosion is now more difficult due to the near saturation growth. As a result, the token's value continues to decline. GNOX is a crypto project that investors should keep an eye on. As the first token with a secured treasury that works for holders, it has the potential to be a worldwide hit in the crypto market. Yield farming as a service is the first of its type offered by GNOX, one of the fastest growing DeFi reflection initiatives. What is yield farming exactly? It's an investing technique where you put your crypto assets to work and optimize your profits, if that's a foreign concept to you. As GNOX is built on the Binance Smart Chain, it promises to bridge the crypto-fiat divide while allowing even the most basic users to use the platform's cutting-edge capabilities. Every 30 days, GNOX is airdropped into the DeFi treasury, allowing the protocol to collect more prizes. Reward amounts are determined by the volume traded and the treasury size. Because of the project's unique tokenomics, GNOX's intrinsic value is always under pressure. GNOX is one of the first projects to leverage the Binance Smart Chain to optimize treasury appreciation for user benefit, with 1% of the tax proceeds going back to GNOX holders every hour of the trading session. DeFi investors, particularly those who are new to the industry, sometimes lack an understanding of how the various DeFi investment methods function. That's what led to the creation of GNOX, a non-custodial platform that makes money for its customers using treasury funds. Most of the DeFi tokens, NFTs, and stablecoins in the multi-signature secured treasury will be used to offer liquidity in safe pools. Each month, holders of the GNOX tokens will get a portion of the rewards accumulated due to these investments. GNOX will be able to safeguard its intrinsic worth and appreciate over time with the support of the buyback event, which will help mitigate the risk of unpredictable market circumstances. For these reasons, every transaction in GNOX is subject to a 10% buy and sell tax. GNOX aims to increase treasury funds that can be used for development even in the face of market instability. GNOX also aims to earn more passive benefits for users by contributing more to DeFi protocols. It also seeks to create a unique marketing plan that will benefit the token and the community. For every transaction, GNOX holders will get 1% of that transaction's value. The multi-chain technology will also support Polygon and Ethereum. Users would be able to conduct transactions on the bridge without incurring any additional fees. Is participating in the GNOX Presale worthwhile? According to GNOX, their technology is endlessly expandable, making it simple for new investors to profit from DeFi. As a result of this initiative, users will have the ability to buy, hold, and benefit from an investment all from one place. Higher passive yields and more enticing features will be available to treasury holders as the treasury expands. Currently, the project is undergoing an audit with CertiK after passing the KYC verification by Assured DeFi. GNOX was happy to inform its community that on May 21, 2022, it successfully completed its KYC verification. The major decentralized market security and legal agency, Sokin DeFi, has also been listed, and KYC validated it. Earlier this week, GNOX announced on Twitter that they are looking forward to pursuing its goal of providing investors with confidence and transparency. The formal debut of this product will take place after the first round of pre-sale. There are various DeFi devices, protocols, and use cases in the GNOX ecosystem, which is decentralized. It intends to run on the Ethereum, BNB Smart Chain, Polygon, and Bitcoin platforms. As a result of the Binance Smart Chain's GNOX presale, private and institutional investors alike have expressed interest. Several media sites have been reporting on its development for the past few days. GNOX, now in the pre-sale stage, is prepared to soar to new heights. Cryptocurrency enthusiasts and people outside the industry are likely to be familiar with Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. These two ventures, commonly called meme coins, provided returns that astonished the globe and encouraged people to consider these meme currencies more seriously. As others have done, GNOX is sending out signs that it too will be the next cryptocurrency to provide outlandish returns. The pre-sale phase of GNOX, which started in Q2 of 2022, has garnered a lot of interest and was one of the most anticipated projects of the year. This is a new wave of reflection tokens, and the first runner-up is GNOX. Even though this project hasn't yet begun, it has already spawned a slew of similar ventures. It is the first protocol to have a treasury specifically designed to function for its investors. Token holders benefit from GNOX's exposure to the most intriguing and profitable yield-earning prospects in the DeFi industry, regardless of whether they are an ordinary or institutional investment. It's impossible to predict what the market will do, but it's definitely worth seeing. Privileged investors will get long-term, growth-oriented passive income through the new protocol. GNOX has seen its value soar in pre-sale due to the high demand. It uses a method of dynamic valuation to account for that rise in value. Increasing numbers of investors are taking advantage of GNOX's dynamic valuation mechanism to get a greater return, and the price continues to rise. How much farther will it go if the number of investors is always increasing? GNOX is on a mission to make DeFi earning simple and seamless for private and institutional investors. The deal is scheduled to go into effect in July, and the future looks bright. The next few quarters will see exciting innovations like pool aggregation, NFT staking, multi-chain growth, and decentralized exchange. GNOX has assembled a team of brilliant engineers and DeFi professionals to redefine the DeFi industry by establishing new benchmarks for performance. The pre-sale has already begun, and clever investors are eager to get their hands on this revolutionary new technology. Multiple analysts predicted that GNOX would rise. Because of the attention it receives from cryptocurrency enthusiasts, GNOX remains a highly anticipated project. GNOX has been a sensation in recent weeks, thanks to many media sites reporting about the company's upcoming debut. On the Binance Smart Chain, GNOX will be the first self-accruing reflection token to optimize earnings both now and in the future. For those new to crypto, this will be a simple way to earn DeFi tokens. Individuals who store GNOX in an approved wallet will be rewarded for every transaction they conduct. Customers will now be able to choose which blockchain to perform their transaction on and will be able to take into account the cost-effectiveness and speed of that transaction. Without additional procedures, their goal is the same level of service for their holders: purchase, hold, and profit. Transfer the tedious work to them, and you're all set. A small treasury will be the starting point for GNOX, and as its funds grow, so will its ability to introduce new services and reward long-term investors. However, the notion of decentralized finance has become a breeding ground for Ponzi scams in the global financial system. Technical language confuses new investors, leading them to make uninformed investments in the hope of large profits. GNOX intends to bridge the crypto-fiat divide to address this issue. When you use GNOX, you don't have to worry about deciding on a DeFi approach. To sustain its intrinsic worth, a community-focused ecosystem will constantly put a buying demand on the token. There are also plans for GNOX to have a multi-chain aggregator in the future. The pre-sale has been an enormous success, with the token value rising by 52% in just 1 week. This surge in demand can be ascribed to a new norm in tokenomics that favors long-term holders. GNOX pre-sale may explode, according to several crypto aficionados. During the pandemic years, smart money flooded into the crypto sector, resulting in a market capitalization of $3 trillion in November 2021. Investors and stockholders are worried about the future because recent profits have dwindled significantly. You can be assured of one thing: when the markets begin to rise again, not all cryptos will be able to return to the top. Investing in something that seemed wonderful in the past may not be a wise idea in the future. high-potential initiatives like GNOX are drawing investors away from slow-moving currencies like XRP. That's all from this video. We hoped you learned something from it. Until the next video, peace out.